Hey, what's going on, guys? In this tutorial, we are going to build a Tailwind CSS web page. Now, if you have never used Tailwind before, that's all right. We are going to go over everything, including how to get set up. We're going to take a look at some of the utility classes that Tailwind provides. Now, Tailwind is a CSS framework, just like Bootstrap or Material UI or Bulma. However, it's different because it doesn't use high-level classes for components like alert and nav bars and cards and all that stuff. So when you use Tailwind, you use lower-level utility classes, and you have specific classes for specific things. Like if you want to control margin or padding or border or maybe background or font. So you use specific utility classes for each of those things. Now, there are certain prerequisites for today's development. First is that you should have a foundational knowledge of CSS because Tailwind is certainly not a replacement of CSS. It is something that you can build on top of your foundational CSS knowledge to develop things at a rapid pace. The next thing that we would need is knowledge of React because this web page is going to be built on top of React. So it's going to be a React project with Tailwind. Let's have a look at what we are going to build today. So this is a very small portfolio web page. What we have here is a header and a hero component. So the header has on the right hand side some menu items. Then the hero component is divided into two parts. On the left hand side we have certain things. On the right hand side we have visual representation. So on the left hand side you have a user greeting himself or herself, then a short description of the user. Right now I have added lorem ipsum as a dummy data. Then we have two CTAs, that is call to action. First is hire me, on top of which you can maybe navigate to some other thing or maybe open up a email this thing. On the right hand side we have a download CV, so you can add your resume here. At the bottom we have a summary of that freelancer. So how many projects they have done, how many years of experience they have, how many awards and how many happy clients they have. So things like that. On the right hand side we have an image of the freelancer. Right now I have kept a dummy image. You can add your own image here. And then we have three social media icons which are floating. So when you hover over any of the items, it has an animation effect like this. This is possible using Tailwind in a very simple and easy manner. We're going to have a look at that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's get started.